The top foreclosure auction sites in 2026 are Auction.com, Hubzu, ServiceLink Auction, RealtyBid, Williams & Williams Real Estate Auctions, Bid4Assets, and US Treasury Auctions. Auction.com is the biggest platform with over 13,000 properties available nationwide at any time and a history of selling more than 510,000 properties since 2007. RealtyTrac offers a massive database of pre-foreclosures, auctions, and bank-owned homes since 1996 with an A+ BBB rating. Government platforms like HUD Homestore, HomePath from Fannie Mae, and HomeSteps from Freddie Mac all offer a 30-day first look period where only owner-occupants can bid before investors. Each platform serves a different investor type and deal stage. Some specialize in active auctions, others in REO bank-owned inventory. Your choice depends on your market, capital, and whether you want wholesale deals or rental inventory. Foreclosure auctions are when lenders or courts sell seized properties to recover debt. They're different from MLS listings because they move faster, come with fewer contingencies, and often sell below market value. In 2026, foreclosure filings were reported on 367,460 U.S. properties, up 14% from 2024, according to ATTOM. That's a significant inventory bump. Q4 2026 showed foreclosure auction supply increasing year over year, with Auction.com reporting that foreclosure auction volume increased in 42 states per safeguard properties. This matters because more foreclosure volume means more deal flow for investors willing to compete and move fast. Unlike traditional real estate, foreclosures come as is, no inspections, no appraisals required. You bid, you win, you own it. The downside is competition, uncertainty, and the need for cash or proof of funds at closing. But for investors hunting discount inventory, foreclosure auctions remain one of the highest velocity sources available. Foreclosure auction platforms act as marketplaces between lenders, servicers, and investors. Here's how they surface deals. First, servicers and lenders list properties on platforms like Auction.com or Hubzu when a borrower defaults and the lender moves to recover. Auction.com, the largest platform with over 13,000 properties available nationwide at any time, aggregates inventory from hundreds of servicers across all 50 states. Second, the platform vets the property data, title, and auction terms. Some auctions are trustee sales, others are bank-owned REO liquidations. RealtyTrac has been building a database of pre-foreclosures, auctions, and bank-owned homes since 1996, and includes tools like ROI calculators to help investors model returns. Third, the platform sets opening bid prices, auction windows, and deposit requirements. Government platforms like HUD Homestore and HomePath offer different terms than private auctions. HUD homes, for instance, go through a 30-day first look period where owner-occupants bid first, then investors, which means better pricing if you wait. This is the kind of signal Goliath data surfaces in real time for investors at scale. Finally, winning bidders close within days, not weeks. The entire process from listing to close is usually 30 to 45 days, far faster than traditional sales. That speed creates an edge if you can move capital and conduct due diligence in parallel. Step 1. Choose your platform based on your market and deal type. If you want nationwide inventory and active auctions, start with Auction.com, which has over 13,000 properties available at any time. If you want pre-foreclosure leads and tools like ROI calculators, RealtyTrac is built for investors and carries an A+ BBB rating. If you target government-backed homes, sign up for HUD Homestore, HomePath, or HomeSteps. Each platform has different fee structures, property types, and closing timelines. Pick one and get comfortable with its workflow first. Step 2. Set your search filters. Define your target area, price range, property type, and auction stage. Do you want trustee sales, REO bank-owned, or pre-foreclosures? Trustee sales are faster and often cheaper. REO sales are cleaner title. Pre-foreclosures give you time to negotiate before auction. Most platforms let you filter by all three. Step 3. Run comps and model returns. Pull comparable sales from your MLS or Zillow. Estimate repair costs, holding costs, and your exit strategy. If you're wholesaling, calculate your profit margin. If you're holding, project cash flow. This is non-negotiable. Q4 2026 showed foreclosure auction supply increasing in 42 states, so you have volume to cherry pick. Don't bid on emotion. Step 4. Verify title, liens, and closing costs. Use the platform's title report or hire a title company. Check for property tax liens, homeowner association fees, and superior mortgages. Some foreclosures carry hidden debt that eats your profit. Foreclosure filings were reported on 367,460 U.S. properties in 2026, and not all of them are clean sales. Factor all costs into your bid. Step 5. Bid, win, and close fast. Platforms like auction.com require proof of funds or earnest money within hours of winning. Have your capital lined up or your financing pre-approved. Most foreclosure auctions close in 30 to 45 days. If you win, move immediately to appraisal, inspection coordination, and closing logistics. Speed is your competitive edge. Let's walk through a real investor scenario. An investor in Texas targets single-family homes under $150,000 in suburban markets. He signs up for auction.com, which has over 13,000 properties available nationwide at any time, and filters for Texas trustee sales in his target neighborhoods. In Q4 2026, foreclosure auction volume increased in 42 states, including Texas, so inventory was abundant. Over 3 months, he identifies 8 properties that fit his criteria. He runs comps and determines his max offer is $80,000 to make $18,000 in profit after repairs and carrying costs. He attends 3 auctions in person and bids on 2. He loses the first bid to a cash investor. On the second property, he wins with a bid of $78,500. He has proof of funds ready. Within 48 hours, he deposits earnest money. Within 30 days, he closes. He wholesales the deal to a local rental company for $84,000, netting $5,500 in cash. By month 4, he's built a system. Monitor auction.com daily, run comps in a spreadsheet, attend auctions twice a month, average 1 close every 8 to 10 weeks. In a year, that's 6 wholesales at $4,000 to $6,000 profit each. Not life-changing, but consistent deal flow sourced from one platform. He also maintains a RealtyTrac subscription for pre-foreclosure leads in his county, which gives him a pipeline of off-market deals before they hit public auction. That double-funnel approach keeps his deal volume steady and reduces his reliance on any single source. Mistake 1. Bidding without comps or financials. Too many investors get caught up in auction momentum and bid blind. They see a property, like it, and overbid. Then they win and realize there's not enough margin, or the property needs double what they estimated. Foreclosure filings were reported on 367,460 U.S. properties in 2026, so there's always another deal coming. Skip the emotion. Run comps first, model your returns, then decide your max bid. Don't bid without numbers. Mistake 2. Not vetting title and liens. Some foreclosures carry tax liens, HOA liens, or superior mortgages that kill the deal. You buy the property but can't get clear title, or you owe thousands in back taxes. Always review the title report before bidding. It costs $50 to $100 but saves you tens of thousands in heartache. Mistake 3. Ignoring auction terms and closing timelines. Different platforms have different rules. Some require closing in 30 days, others in 60. Some require proof of funds within 24 hours of winning, others give you a week. Read the terms before you bid. If you don't have your capital or financing locked in, don't bid. Mistake 4. Chasing volume instead of quality. Q4 2026 showed foreclosure auction volume increasing in 42 states, but not every property is a good deal. The investor who wins 10 bad deals closes 0. The investor who bids on 5 good deals closes 3 and makes real money. Focus on your criteria. Stay disciplined. Skip the deals that don't hit your numbers, even if inventory is abundant. The rule that matters: treat foreclosure auctions like a business, not a game. Run the math, check the title, move the capital, close fast. That's it. Subscribe for more real estate auction breakdowns.